In this video, we are going to look at the relevant happenings of today. NASA reports trouble with Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope, which has been peering into the universe for more than 30 years, has been down for the past few days. The problem is a payload computer. The payload computer's purpose is to control and coordinate the scientific instruments and monitor them for health and safety purpose. An attempt to restart it on Monday failed. NASA said initial evidence point to the degrading memory module as the source of computer problem. An attempt to switch to a backup memory module also failed. The computer technology in the memory module date back to the 1980s and it was replaced during maintenance work in 2009. Launched in 1990s, the Hubble Space Telescope revolutionized the world of astronomy and changed our vision of universe as it sends back images of solar system, the Milky Way, and distant galaxies. A new and powerful telescope called as James Webb Space Telescope is scheduled to be deployed later this year. It is designed to peer deep into the cosmos than ever before. The center on Saturday shared the state-wise number of vaccine doses administered in the country so far. Maharashtra, with 2.71 crore vaccine doses, has administered the highest number, followed by Uttar Pradesh 2.5 crore doses and Gujarat with 2.15 crore doses. Meanwhile, Rajasthan has administered 2.06 crore vaccine doses and 1.6 crore doses have been administered in West Bengal. Ibrahim Raisi elected as Iran's 8th president. Iran's ultra-conservative clergy and judiciary chief Ibrahim Raisi has been elected as the nation's 8th president. Raisi won 61.95% of the vote during the recent presidential elections. The elections saw a total voter turnout of 48.8%, which is the lowest turnout for a presidential election since 1979 revolution. Ibrahim Raisi will take up office in early August, replacing moderate President Hassan Rouhani, who was not allowed to run for a third consecutive term by the Iranian constitution. He congratulated the people for their choice after Raisi's win. Ibrahim Raisi has also become the first Iranian president to be sanctioned by the United States even before assuming office, as he was designated in 2019. The United States blacklisted Ibrahim Raisi in 2019 for his role in the mass execution of political prisoners in 1988. He had also run for presidential elections against Hassan Rouhani in 2017 as well, but he had gained only 38% of the votes at that time. So friends, these were the relevant happenings of today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.